Good morning, and welcome to the shores of the mighty Han River here in Da Nang, Vietnam. This is our last day here, so we have a couple of things that we want to do before we head out. One is we're going to look to get a local dish called Bun Cha, which is just a fish noodle. We'll talk about that in a bit. And right now, actually, we're going to go to a local market that was recommended by one of our guides called the Con Market. So it looks to be a little less hustle bustle than the Han market that we were at yesterday. Hopefully they'll have some interesting stuff for us to see there. So we're just waiting for our Grab car to come pick us up. If you ever come to Vietnam, make sure that you get the Grab app. It's the easiest, most hassle-free way to get around. You don't need to negotiate any prices, and it's super cheap. I think this is going to be about a 6-minute car ride. It's going to cost us around $1, so you really can't beat it. So looking forward to it. This is the Dragon Bridge that we've seen in previous videos. Really cool. We went back there last night. Definitely a must-see. And I'll check back in when we get back to the Con Market. Talk to you soon. All right, getting out of the Grab here. Perfect. So let's go see what this place looks like. There's our little Grab car that we picked up. That was our $1. Yeah, I mean, it's got some chaos to it, doesn't it? It's fun. Everybody likes their scooters here. I think it's right across the street there. Cho Con, it says. This is always the fun part, crossing the street. All right, I think you just got to commit to it and go. You just got to make your way across. Hope that nobody hits you. All right. Cool, so definitely busy here. A lot of scooters out front, as you can see. A lot of people, a lot of lovely puddles of water. Nothing that was crazy or unique. This spot's supposed to be a bit more local. But who knows, right? Oh, definitely fresh fruits and flowers. Oh, I'm not even filming up. I'm filming straight up. That doesn't help anybody. There. Yeah. Are we looking for anything in particular or just looking? Yeah.
Different market.
I feel like this is their version of the dollar store. It's just a ton of stuff. Some of it's useful, some of it's not.
But they got a few in there. The lady that used to live in Da Nang, who's working at the.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, you go in there for food court. There's lots of things you can go on. So different more locals here.
Wow. There's a lot to eat in there, I'm sure. Oh, the dried crabs. Look at that. Those are just a nice little snack.
I wonder if it's closed on this side.
I mean, we can go take a look. I can't think if there's anything that I could use. A lot of fresh teas. Oh, chopsticks, bowls. You get some of those. If I had more room in my luggage, I might buy a few things. But yeah, I don't know if those are eggs or if those are like fruit. I've been to some places where they put fruit into sugar water and then you drink it. Oh, okay. Coming into a bit more clothes. Yeah. Yeah. I'm moving too slow for her. Always on the lookout for good deals.
This is what the lady on her scooter was wearing. Long sleeve, long hair. And just wear this, you're all covered up. A Chanel Mickey Mouse outfit.
Oh yeah, you can't go wrong with that. Hello, Bun Cha Ca. All right, again, we'll see what we can find and come back if there's anything that's of interest here. Cool. So that was the market hunt. We didn't really see anything we like. Everybody wants to sell you the same sort of shirt, the same sort of pants and stuff. I mean, if anything, it would be candies and things like that that I'd be interested in getting. Pancakes, banana pancakes. Oh, it's just fun to see. You know, some of these places are pretty wild.
I guess we could either go out to that street.
Which way? This way?
Yeah.
All right. Well, hopefully everybody got to take a little bit of a look at what it's like at the local markets here in Da Nang. See if it's something that interests you. It's easy to get to. Make sure you buy a nice bag so you can put everything in it. So now we've decided we're going to take a little stroll back through the city. We want to try Bun Cha Ca, which is a local dish here in Da Nang. It's a fish cake soup. So it comes with a fried fish cake and noodles. It's got a sweet and sour tomato broth on it. I'm just going to pay attention when I cross the road here. Yeah, it's got a sweet and sour tomato broth. Some of these restaurants in Da Nang apparently have been serving this particular dish for over 50 years, so it's very well-known, very regional dish. You can get a bunch of toppings on it. We saw you can get crab meat or fish balls, crab balls. Mackerel apparently is quite popular. Tuna, octopus. So I think we'll probably just try the original one. We're gonna go to what was it called? I'll have to get you the name of the restaurant as we get there because everything is confusing me at the moment. Let you guys see what it looks like. Are we going to try and cross? Alright, I'm going to go after this bike. Then you get whiffs of this awesome smelling food. Like I can smell that pho place from here. The garlic, the pho broth, the spices. That's how potent it is. I gotta say, we're really enjoying our time in Vietnam. The expectations have been exceeded. There's just so much to do and see here and so many interesting things to get into.
Yoga.
Oh yeah, there you go. Gym yoga. All right, so again, we're gonna go get this Bun Cha Ca dish. I'll rendezvous back when we get to the restaurant. Just coming down a little alley here that's full of stalls and little grocery stores like this. But I think we're coming up to the restaurant pretty soon. A lot of scooter shops here, places that are working on scooters, painting different parts of them, fixing different parts of them. Tire stores. So interesting place, interesting part of town. Cool little Suzuki minibus. This is the thing, like there's no break in the traffic sometimes, so you kind of wait, take your shot, and then just stroll across. Here comes a break. Yeah. So how did you find this place?
So I just looked it up online and kind of searched what's the best shop.
Okay, cool. So we'll give it a shot and see what we think. I don't think I'm going to get into the foodie yet this morning. Last night we had the big seafood dinner and certainly got a few. We went out afterwards to an expat bar. There's somebody's hedgehog right there. Look at that thing. That's pretty cool, eh? It just sits out on the road. Seen a lot of bird cages. That's the first time I've seen a hedgehog. Not a head. Yeah.
In a cage.
Yeah, that was a hedgehog. We must be getting close now. Yeah. All right, we'll go after these two bikes, it looks like. This is a one-way street, so it's a little bit easier. Cool looking place here if you want to just drop in and get a beer. It is fun to sit on these little tables and just watch the world go by in Vietnam. It's always entertaining. Cha Ca, this is it. This is what we've come for. This is it. All right, cool. Want to just grab a seat?
Yeah, we'll go inside.
Oh, we'll go inside. All right. See what it's all about. Bun Cha Ca.
We have the English menu.
Thank you.
You can have sit over.
Beautiful. This is different with these wooden tables. All right. Got my little stool set up. So what do we got here? Noodle and fish cake. This is what we came for.
I just want to try the traditional noodle fish cake.
I think we're just going to try one of these to start. Just the traditional
share
noodle
one.
and fish cake.
You share one?
Yeah, please.
This one, right?
Yes,
Please,
yeah.
check that.
Thank you. You got your sides and everything.
Yeah, I saw this one online where they've got the big tables open.
Yeah, no, this is a nicer restaurant than some of the
Yeah.
ones we've been to. They've obviously got a lot of space here.
And the prices aren't that much different. I think if we could have gone a little further out, it was also a very good place. But it was at least 20-minute walk away. And their prices were $25,000 per bowl. Here it's $30,000 per bowl. So
Right, the 5,000 doesn't make too much of a difference.
not
I mean,
really, yeah.
no.
So and they both got really high ratings. So we just figured we'll just try this one because this one was close to
Let's
the
go.
con market.
This is what I love. Look at how quick everything gets put together.
Yeah.
That's it. You order it, it's at your table. That looks lovely. So this is the sweet and sour tomato broth with fried fish cakes.
Yeah.
And then of course they always give you the
Yeah.
stuff to put on the side. You want to take
Ooh,
those?
This is some serious
That is
shrimp.
shrimp paste, yeah. If you haven't had it, try it out. It's an acquired taste, I'll tell you that
I
much.
tried it out at home, and I'm
All right, well, why don't you give this a go and see what you think?
I mean, 30,000,
1,000 is 550. 30,000 is going to be.
$1.75 or something.
I like that.
Yeah. So I'm gonna put in the greens for sure. So they got really fresh green bean sprouts, nice and white. Some lettuce, mint. This is for sure basil. Put in there. I'm just gonna mix it up, but you know what? I'm just gonna try the broth first before I throw anything else in to see what it's like.
So this is a very regional dish, apparently.
Oh, it's very light.
Is it?
Yeah, I thought it would be really fishy because it's a fish cake broth, but it's not. It's quite good. Super light. All right, so this is the fish cake.
That's the fried fish cake, okay.
I mean, I think you have to like fish cake. It reminds you of,
Yeah, I like fish cake more than I do, yeah. I'm a pork guy, I'm a beef guy. I mean, I like fish, but fish cakes are fish.
right.
Yeah.
So-
Oh, there's a whole bunch of different types of fish cakes in there. Look at that.
Yeah. So you get this often in Asian supermarkets, right? Like T&T. You get these cakes for your ramen or your noodles at home.
What do you think compared to the Mi Quang, or Mai Quang, sorry, or some of the other regional dishes we've had?
Well, I like fish cake, and I like this broth a lot, actually.
Yeah, the fish makes it different. We haven't had a lot of stuff that's fish forward.
No. I mean, the only other fish dish that we've had was the Cha Ca in
Right, which is really good.
Hanoi.
Yeah.
But that's totally different. So to them, in Hanoi, the local dish is fried with dill, right? So this one's just more of a soup. So in Da Nang, there are two main noodle dishes here that are local, specifically to this region. Is I think Mi Quang noodles. It's a drier noodle, a little bit deep broth, and then this. Fish. Lots of little side things here, but I don't think I'm gonna go too crazy.
Yeah, just try it as it is. It doesn't.
I think if you have time and you like fish cakes, you gotta give this a try. It's only $30,000. The broth is really good.
Nice. Well, I guess we'll hold it there. That's our what did they call this dish again? Bun
Cha Ca.
Bun Cha Ca.
Bun Cha Ca.
Yeah.
Noodle
noodle with fish
Fish
cake
soup.
and a light sweet and sour tomato broth.
Yeah.
All right, thanks. Yeah, the broth is fantastic. That sweet and sour tomato broth, really liked it. I would highly recommend it. Yeah, thank you. So that's it. We had our fish broth, and now we'll call another grab. We'll head back to the hotel. We'll pack up on the next leg of the adventure.